Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Passport. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.